Hi, this is Chef Pachi and welcome today to my Cook 1, 2, 3 video on reheat and reuse. You have an amazing meal with kebabs, potatoes, and a salad. We're going to place a pinch of butter and a drizzle of olive oil on a pan over medium-high heat. Then we're going to add some rosemary or whatever herb you have, the potatoes, and brown them on all sides until they are lightly golden and crisp. On our panini grill, we'll bring out our beef kebabs that we had already frozen and almost defrosted. We put them on the grill with a little bit of olive oil and cover them so that they steam up a little bit and cook faster. Drizzle some salt and that's it. You have an amazing meal in minutes with kebabs, potatoes, and a delicious salad. Enjoy delicious meals in minutes with Chef Pachi. Remember, delicious diets are sustainable diets. Chef Pachi.